one you can seeing it like under the camera.
Oh. Keep doing.
Really?
I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, we're gonna cure it. No beads this time.
Like 2 in 1.
Yeah, I got it.
Unique Creation. Hello, Danny. How are you and baby? Hi, Unique Creation. Thanks so much for tuning in. We are doing is like walk along. Me and Brazil doing some cool ombre encapsulate glitter, and now we're moving on the fun part. So okay, so if you don't want anything, absolutely leave it alone and put top coat on. Apply the top coat here for 60 seconds, and you're good to go. We are going to do some Santa Bee.
Thanks, Nails by Danny. Thanks, Blessed Queen. I'm just trying to follow Nancy's lead here.
No, Brazil did awesome. I'm really enjoying her video. It's like,
all right, I think I really want to use this, so I'm just going to use this centerpiece here, or should I save it for this one? Because this is yellow.
which one? Just do it. Don't save it.
Okay.
Because your clients were
right
seeing
there.
it. They're like, oh, Brazil, what do you have? I didn't see it. Why I didn't seeing it? I said, well, you can request for it.
True, that's true.
And they're like, oh, can I have this? Sure.
Okay, I think that's good. I think that's pretty cute. I don't know. What should I add for that one? Oh, I can do like the little triangles, top and bottom. And that's it. That's it for that one.
So
Since you did a simple one.
I did the huge centerpiece, but then also I put crystal QAB in this size is SS10. I didn't want to do a lot of going on because I don't want to cover the ombre.
Nancy, I just looked at yours. Ours look the same. I'm just now looking at yours.
Let me see. Awesome. That's cool. But you have this fancy. You have the triangle.
Yes. I just looked up. Like, let me see. I didn't know you was using the same crystal on this one. The same now.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Hey, think alike, you know?
Great minds think alike. I was like, what can I do? I'm going to do triangles. Yes. So this just kind of adds to that piece and just makes it look like one big piece.
Brazil fancier. She had the triangle ready, so I have to build my own triangles. She said she had it from her. Didn't get it from the 90,000 kit. I didn't get it right with me, so I build my own triangles. If you don't have it, just don't worry and do not have to worry and crying, because you can build your own triangle just in case.
Are we doing it on the same now? We are doing it on the same now. Oh,
for real? That's
cheetah.
awesome. That is awesome. Ta-da! Oh, today I have Brazil with me, so my ta-da is work. Yesterday.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, I said, are you ready? Are you ready? And everybody like, yeah, we're so excited. And then, ta-da, no work at all. No foil chance at all. But it's good though. It's good, great tip and trick, because I put reverse way. So if you see that your foil doesn't work, try it again, because you probably do it reverse way when you're doing it like transparent look. All right, you are more than welcome to do it some more. I think I have an ideas, but I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna place some beads in between, just so I can close those little gaps for me.
All right, look at that. I hope you like it.
We love it.
Is using the frame to make a little bit of a
I'm gonna flash cure this because I don't want my beads to move around. I think they're trying to run away from me.
Oh no, come
Oh, I
back.
have that's the extra one. Okay, that was the extra one. I thought it was running. Okay.
All right, so I put a little bit twist on it. So I put the frames on one end and then just the other end. One more beads on this one. No, I don't know what to do without the beads though. It would be so plain. So put another beads. You're happy with this? We are going to here. I'm loving the centerpiece, Brazil.
Well, thank you. I'm loving your centerpiece. Okay, so the next need.